video break. It's the Underground Show, of course, you already know. We got Lorraine, Rebin doing their thing right now. Of course, we all know Syndicus. He's well known to the Underground Show. How you doing?
I'm doing good.
That's good. I feel like a giant next to you.
Oh, you know, but you ain't got a swagger like me, so calm down.
Okay. All right. Go ahead and introduce yourself.
Everybody know me, Lord Grand, the Glock Thug Entertainer, Crossbreed TV, worldwide, baby. What is good, what it do? Shout out to my man Lyrical Tone. Shout out to the CEO, Mr. Nickel Straws, and the whole fam. You know what I'm saying? What's good, mama?
I mean, obviously you was good. You're the one, let me know. So what's going on in your world as far as music goes? What's going on? Let me know.
Yo, in my world is the world. Because I'm here to conquer the world, and I'm air like the world, because I'm the sun, and I shed light on the world. You know what I'm saying? Everybody know the Glock, you know what I'm saying? From here to South Cackalack and back, I do my thing. I'm the king of the stage like Dougie Fresh, you know what I'm saying? It's my man Syndicus. We here together tonight promoting him and his new album and shit, you know what I'm saying? Thug Entertainer Part 3 coming in November. Prisoner of the Grind Part 3 coming this month, the end of this month, right after Halloween. Holla.
That's how I like the interviews. I ain't got to ask no questions. They just go ahead and let me everything know. They let me know everything off jump. That was good. Thank you very much for that. All right, so Syndicus, what's good with you? I know we see these flyers out here every damn place I go. What do you got, a printing press in your basement?
Yo, I got about 10,000 more of these to go, 10,000 more albums to do, about 20,000 flyers, and that's real. Yo, the promotional team that we bring, crazy, man. So for y'all to catch up on me, y'all have to play catch up because I'm hot, dog. Niggas hot for real. I'm gonna do my thing, man. So every time, anywhere, I'm for real. Y'all gonna see me.
Yo, I know you doing, I hear from other people, not just, you know, from you. I hear from other people that you're doing big things in Lorraine. So what's up with the album? The album's in stores right now, right? Talk a little bit about how that's doing and the single off that album.
Well, the main single right now I'm pumping is Crunk La. I'm trying to give it to all the DJs. Every Wednesday I'm performing it up here at the Underground Show. As far as the albums, they move more out of my trunk than they do, you know, at the store. So, because, you know, I'm more connected to the streets and real people who want to buy it. But in due time, I'll get them more bumping out of retail stores for sure.
So they can get copy at all the mom and pop spots on the internet. Do you have a website where they can get the album?
Yeah, you can grab it at www.funklah.com, cdbaby/Syndicus, and check me out at myspace/funklahent.com.
All right, that's what it is. I know you will never get enough of this man. No matter what club you go to in Cleveland, Lorraine, Akron, anywhere, you will see this. So he ain't going nowhere. So stay on the lookout. The album's in stores. Make sure you cop that. We're doing it real big. Stay tuned. Right now, we're gonna get into this next music video. Yo, what's up? Welcome to the Underground Show, the hottest show in Cleveland and the hottest show on the internet right now. I'm your girl Tara, and I'm here with my man Tut. How you feeling tonight?
I'm good, Tara. What's going on with you? Internet people, y'all not as lucky as I am right now because I'm chilling here with sexy Tara, so it can only get better from here.
All right, well, for those of you that don't know, of course, you're in the Cleveland area. You are very familiar with the local legend himself. But if you're not, then go ahead, tell us, you know, about what you do. Just basically get us a little bio, if you will.
Okay. Well, I'm originally from Chi-Town, the South Side. I've been living in Cleveland about 4 years now. Last year, I dropped my first EP, The Sound, and that's been moving good for me. That's in the internet, in stores. Over the summer, I dropped my 12-inch, The Key, back with Hold Up. The year's been good for me. After that, it's been like a month now, I just took second place in Scribble Jam in Cincinnati. Shouts to Thesaurus, Cat clipped me. Brother did his thing, I won't front on him, but it's a good look for me. And now I'm finishing up my new album, Get Right Season. It'll be in stores and on the internet and out in these streets come November.
Okay. Well, that's coming up, but right now I want to rewind. So let's talk about Scribble Jam. Basically, real big if you're in hip-hop, you already know. Was taking place in Cincinnati. Tell us how that was, and you got second place?
Second place, yeah, down to the final 2 out of 32 cats. So, I mean, it was a good look. They had some animals out there, but you know, cats did their thing, but it worked out.
TUT came through in the clutch, huh?
It worked out all right for me. It was a good look.
Well, congratulations on that. We're very proud of you. So let's talk about your up-and-coming album in November, which is creeping up right now. I already have this sound, but you only have like 5 tracks on there, right?
Yeah.
You only have. So what's your new album looking like?
The new album is a full-length joint. The sound was just you can see this here. The sound. This is the EP. Right. Come check it out. This Tut the Sound 5-shot EP. You can get this on cdbaby.com/Tut Music. They got that. I'm on iTunes. If you search for Tut, T-U-T, I got that out there. It's in stores in Cleveland, Columbus, Detroit. But easiest way to get at me on the internet. The sound is 5 joints. It's just a quick kind of a little teaser, sort of the appetizer to what it is I do. And now in November, I got the full-length joint, the full album, the main course. You can, wet your taste buds a little bit with this, and then I got that full course going on for you in November, so you can come on down and feed yourself.
Now, I've already had him on my radio show, and I already got at him about this, but I know you can hear him, and he has a very distinct voice. I think it's sexy, but I mean, I know you can hear it. So when he raps, it definitely is very prominent in your the style of how you rap. Do you find that that's like goes in your advantage, or is it a disadvantage? Because sometimes you hear it like, oh man, like some people are used to it, or do you think it's cool because it's real unique? Like, how do you think it's ended up working out for you?
Having a distinct sound and sounding like just me it's always been an advantage. I mean, and like anything, no matter what your voice sound like, you need to learn how to use it and how to work it to your advantage. So sounding distinct, it definitely have helped me out. I mean, at the end of the day, all the MCs that you know, everybody that you say like, oh, that's so-and-so, that's my favorite rapper, even before they rhyme it, like when you just hearing the radio drops, you know as soon as that cat open his mouth, it's like, oh, that's Big, oh, that's Jay-Z. So, I mean, everybody you like, Pac, everybody who you like, that's my favorite rapper. You know that dude. As soon as he open his mouth, when you hear that, you know who it is. So, truthfully, if you don't have a distinct sound, you at a serious disadvantage in this sport of hip-hop. Like, it's hard for you to get by if you don't sound like you, where we know right away, like, oh, that's so-and-so. Yeah.
All right, that's what it is. So only good things to come with my man right here. All right, any last shout-outs? I know you got a MySpace page like everyone else. So go ahead, let the people know that so that they can hit you up. Any last things that you want anyone to know?
I want to shout my man Snub, Ion Anomaly. Shouts to X-Man working for Universal. Catch me on the MySpace, myspace.com/Tut Soul Control. Add me to your friend space. Shoot me comments. Check out my pictures. I got all kind of goodies up there for you. I got live show video footage. I got hidden snippets, a new music and pictures. Come check it out. Yeah.
So once again, the album in stores November. What's it called?
Get Right Season.
Get Right Season?
Yeah, Get Right Season. 'Tis the season to get your ish right. Get Right Season.
That's what it is. So that's coming in stores November. Be on the lookout for that. I got my man Tut in the building at the Underground Show. I'm your girl Tara. Stay tuned. We got more to come.